Jubmo ABM Platform Online Training. What is the Jubmo ABM platform and how does it work? The Jubmo ABM platform is an account-based marketing (ABM) solution designed to help businesses target, engage, and convert key accounts more effectively. It focuses on personalizing marketing efforts for specific high-value accounts rather than casting a wide net with general marketing campaigns. Jubmo's platform is tailored to industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and technology, offering an integrated approach to account-based marketing. Key features and how it works. Targeting and segmentation. Jubmo allows users to identify and prioritize high-value accounts based on various criteria such as industry, company size, location, and intent data. It provides tools for segmenting target accounts and tailoring campaigns accordingly. Personalized campaigns. The platform enables users to create highly personalized campaigns with dynamic content tailored to the interests and needs of individual accounts. These campaigns can include email, display ads, and other channels that are most likely to reach decision-makers within the target accounts. Omnichannel engagement. Jubmo integrates various channels like display advertising, email marketing, and direct mail, allowing businesses to engage with target accounts across multiple touchpoints. The platform ensures consistent messaging and personalized outreach across these channels. AI-powered insights. With AI and machine learning, Jubmo offers insights on account behavior, intent signals, and engagement patterns. This data helps refine strategies and optimize the targeting of campaigns. Account analytics and reporting. Jubmo provides detailed analytics to track the success of campaigns, monitor engagement levels, and measure ROI. Users can see how specific accounts are interacting with the marketing materials and adjust strategies accordingly. Sales and marketing alignment. The platform is designed to facilitate collaboration between sales and marketing teams. By sharing insights on key accounts, both teams can work together to close deals more effectively, ensuring that the right messages are being delivered at the right time. How it works. Account identification. Marketers use Jubmo's tools to identify high-value accounts. This process can be enhanced by integrating third-party data sources. Personalized outreach. Based on insights and data gathered, marketers create personalized campaigns to engage each account. Omnichannel engagement. These campaigns are then delivered through a mix of channels, email, ads, content marketing, and more. Data-driven decisions. The platform provides real-time reporting and feedback, helping marketers optimize campaigns and sales teams close deals more efficiently. Continuous optimization. With advanced analytics and AI-driven recommendations, Jubmo helps continually refine targeting and engagement strategies. How can Jubmo help improve account-based marketing strategies? Jubmo is a marketing technology platform that specializes in account-based marketing, ABM, and helps businesses enhance their ABM strategies in several ways. Here are some key ways Jubmo can improve ABM strategies. Account identification and segmentation. Jubmo helps businesses identify high-value target accounts by analyzing customer data and behavior across multiple channels. It allows marketers to create and refine segments based on account potential, industry, buying intent, and other factors, enabling more focused and personalized marketing efforts. Personalized content and messaging. With Jubmo, businesses can deliver personalized, tailored messaging to specific accounts. This enhances engagement by ensuring that the right content is delivered at the right time, addressing the specific pain points, interests, and needs of each account. Multi-channel campaigns. Jubmo enables businesses to run ABM campaigns across multiple digital channels, including email, display ads, social media, and direct mail. This ensures a unified and consistent message is delivered to target accounts across the most effective touchpoints. Engagement tracking and analytics. The platform provides detailed insights into how target accounts are interacting with marketing content. By tracking engagement and response metrics, businesses can understand the effectiveness of their ABM campaigns and optimize them in real time for better results. Sales and marketing alignment. Jubmo helps bridge the gap between sales and marketing teams by offering shared visibility into account activity. This promotes collaboration between teams, ensuring that sales teams have the right context and intelligence to engage with leads effectively. ABM reporting and ROI measurement. Jubmo offers reporting tools to measure the performance of ABM campaigns, providing key metrics like pipeline contribution, revenue impact, and engagement rates. This helps businesses track the success of their ABM efforts and refine their strategies for continuous improvement. Account-based advertising. Jubmo also integrates with ad platforms, enabling account-based advertising campaigns that target specific accounts with tailored ads. This maximizes ad spend by reaching the most relevant accounts with the right message. What are the key features of the Jubmo ABM platform? The Jubmo ABM, account-based marketing, platform provides a comprehensive suite of features designed to support B2B companies in targeting, engaging, and converting high-value accounts. Key features of the platform include account identification and segmentation. Jubmo uses advanced analytics and data intelligence to identify and segment high-value target accounts based on various criteria, such as industry, size, behavior, and engagement patterns. Personalized content and campaigns. The platform enables the creation of personalized, account-specific content and campaigns. These campaigns can be tailored to the needs and interests of each account, increasing relevance and engagement. Cross-channel campaign orchestration. Jubmo supports multi-channel marketing, including digital ads, email, social media, and direct mail, to engage target accounts across different touchpoints and increase the chances of conversion. AI-powered insights and analytics. The platform utilizes AI to provide actionable insights on account engagement, behavior, and campaign performance. This helps marketers optimize their strategies and improve return on investment (ROI). Real-time tracking and reporting. Jubmo allows real-time tracking of how accounts are interacting with campaigns. Marketers can get up-to-date reports and dashboards to monitor the effectiveness of their efforts. Sales and marketing alignment. The platform helps align sales and marketing teams by providing them with shared insights and data, ensuring that both teams work towards the same goals and strategies. Lead scoring and nurturing. Jubmo includes lead scoring to prioritize high-value accounts and focus efforts on the most promising leads. It also supports account nurturing to engage accounts over the long term. Integration with CRM and marketing automation. The platform integrates seamlessly with popular CRM systems like Salesforce and marketing automation tools like HubSpot, Marketo, allowing for smooth data synchronization and workflow automation. Account-based advertising. Jubmo offers advanced account-based advertising tools, including display ads, social ads, and retargeting, to increase brand visibility and engagement with target accounts. Global reach and localization. The platform supports global marketing efforts, allowing companies to localize campaigns for specific regions or languages, ensuring that content is relevant and resonates with local audiences. How does Jubmo integrate with existing marketing and CRM tools? Jubmo integrates with existing marketing and CRM tools to enhance account-based marketing (ABM) strategies and improve customer engagement by providing deeper insights and personalized targeting. The integration typically works through the following ways. CRM integration. Jubmo connects with CRM platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, or Microsoft Dynamics to sync customer data, track interactions, and enrich profiles. This allows teams to leverage detailed customer insights directly within their CRM systems for more personalized outreach. Marketing automation integration. Jubmo can integrate with popular marketing automation platforms like Marketo, Pardot, and Eloqua. This ensures seamless flow of data between systems, enabling marketers to trigger personalized campaigns based on behavioral insights and account-level data. Data sync and enrichment. Jubmo collects and analyzes web, email, and advertising data, which can be fed into existing CRM and marketing systems for more targeted campaigns. This is particularly useful for segmenting accounts based on intent, engagement, or buying stage, leading to better alignment between sales and marketing teams. Ad platforms. Jubmo integrates with advertising tools like Google Ads, LinkedIn Ads, and others to help deliver targeted ads based on account insights. This ensures that marketing efforts are aligned with CRM data, improving ROI on ad spend. Reporting and analytics. With its integration capabilities, Jubmo consolidates data across all channels and CRM systems, offering comprehensive reporting and analytics. This gives marketing teams a unified view of campaign performance, customer behavior, and sales impact. Sales enablement. By connecting to CRM and marketing platforms, Jubmo can provide real-time insights to sales teams, helping them to engage with the right prospects at the right time. This alignment enhances lead conversion and improves ABM performance. What are the benefits of using Jubmo for targeted advertising? Jubmo is a platform designed for account-based marketing, ABM, which focuses on delivering personalized, targeted advertising to specific business accounts. The benefits of using Jubmo for targeted advertising include precision targeting. Jubmo helps businesses identify and target high-value accounts with personalized ads. It uses data such as account behavior, intent signals, and firmographic data to create tailored campaigns that resonate with the right decision-makers. Increased conversion rates. By focusing on accounts that are most likely to convert, Jubmo increases the chances of engaging potential customers and accelerating the sales cycle, ultimately driving higher conversion rates. Cross-channel campaigns. Jubmo supports multi-channel advertising, including display ads, social media, and email, ensuring that your messaging reaches target accounts across different touchpoints for maximum visibility and engagement. Comprehensive analytics. The platform provides detailed analytics and reporting, allowing marketers to track the performance of their campaigns in real time. This enables data-driven decision-making and optimization of campaigns to improve outcomes. Enhanced personalization. Jubmo enables highly personalized ad creatives and messaging for each targeted account, improving the relevance of your advertising and increasing the likelihood of engagement. Account-level insights. With Jubmo, you gain valuable insights into your target account's activities, including browsing patterns and engagement with your content, helping to refine your outreach strategies. Seamless CRM integration. The platform integrates with popular CRM and marketing automation systems, ensuring a smooth flow of data and better coordination between sales and marketing teams. Scalability. Jubmo can scale with your business, allowing you to target a wide range of accounts with the same level of precision and personalization, whether you are focusing on a small set of high-value prospects or a broader target audience. How can Jubmo enhance personalization in ABM campaigns? Jubmo is a platform designed to enhance account-based marketing, ABM, by enabling personalized and targeted campaigns. It leverages a combination of data-driven insights, automation, and advanced technology to create more impactful and tailored experiences for each account in an ABM strategy. Here's how Jubmo can enhance personalization in ABM campaigns. Account segmentation and targeting. Jubmo allows for precise segmentation of accounts based on various criteria, such as industry, company size, behavior, and intent data. This segmentation ensures that marketing messages are highly relevant to each account's specific needs and challenges. Behavioral insights. Jubmo tracks and analyzes the behavior of key decision-makers within targeted accounts, including website visits, content engagement, and interactions with previous campaigns. This helps marketers understand the interests and pain points of individual accounts, allowing them to create hyper-personalized messages and offers. Dynamic content personalization. The platform offers the ability to dynamically customize content for specific accounts or personas. This means that marketers can serve tailored ads, emails, landing pages, and other content that resonates with the needs, pain points, and interests of each target account. Multi-channel orchestration. Jubmo helps synchronize ABM campaigns across multiple channels such as display ads, email, direct mail, and social media. This ensures a consistent and personalized experience for target accounts across all touchpoints, increasing the likelihood of engagement and conversion. Data integration. Jubmo integrates with existing CRM and marketing automation systems, example Salesforce, HubSpot, Marketo, which allows for a seamless flow of account data across platforms. This integration enhances the personalization process by ensuring that the right account information is available for creating tailored campaigns. Lead scoring and intent detection. With advanced lead scoring and intent detection capabilities, Jubmo can prioritize accounts based on their engagement level and likelihood to convert. This ensures that marketing efforts are focused on high-priority accounts, with content and outreach specifically designed to move them further along the buying journey. Account-based reporting and analytics. Jubmo provides detailed analytics on ABM campaign performance, giving marketers insights into how each account is interacting with the content and messaging. This data can be used to refine future campaigns, making them even more personalized and targeted. What metrics can be tracked with the Jubmo ABM platform? The Jubmo ABM, account-based marketing platform, offers various metrics to track the performance and effectiveness of account-based marketing campaigns. Key metrics include engagement metrics, website visits by targeted accounts, page views and time spent on site, content downloads, ebooks, white papers, case studies, social media interactions, likes, shares, comments, event attendance and participation, account activity metrics, engagement level of target accounts, example active, moderate, or low engagement, interaction frequency and depth with key account personas, multi-channel engagement tracking across email, web, social, etc. Lead metrics. Number of leads generated from target accounts. Lead qualification status, example, marketing qualified leads, MQLs, sales qualified leads, SQLs. Conversion rates from leads to opportunities. Lead to account matching, ensuring leads belong to target accounts. Opportunity metrics. Number of opportunities created from target accounts. Revenue generated or potential value of opportunities. Opportunity win rates for targeted accounts. Sales cycle length for targeted accounts. Pipeline metrics. Pipeline growth specific to target accounts. Pipeline velocity, how quickly opportunities move through stages. Account-specific revenue attribution. Campaign performance metrics. ROI, return on investment, for ABM campaigns. Cost per acquisition, CPA, for target accounts. Campaign conversion rates and success compared to non-ABM efforts. Account health metrics. Account growth or expansion within the target account base. Account retention rates and churn risk. Customer satisfaction or NPS, Net Promoter Score, for targeted accounts. Why choose ProExcellency for Jubmo ABM platform online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Jubmo ABM, account-based marketing, platform online training offers several benefits. Expert trainers. ProExcellency provides experienced and certified trainers who are knowledgeable in Jubmo ABM, ensuring high-quality learning from experts with real-world experience. Comprehensive curriculum. The training program is designed to cover all the key features and functions of the Jubmo ABM platform, giving you a thorough understanding of how to leverage it effectively for marketing campaigns. Hands-on learning. ProExcellency emphasizes practical learning, offering real-time examples and exercises that allow you to apply the concepts directly in your own work environment. Flexible learning options. ProExcellency offers online training with flexible schedules, making it convenient for professionals to learn at their own pace while balancing work commitments. Personalized support. With small class sizes and dedicated trainers, you can expect personalized support to address your specific learning needs and challenges. Certification. Upon completion of the training, you will receive a certificate that validates your knowledge and expertise in using the Jubmo ABM platform, which can enhance your career opportunities. Cost-effective, ProExcellency's online training is designed to offer great value for the investment, providing quality education at competitive pricing. Customer reviews and success stories. Many learners have benefited from ProExcellency's training, with positive feedback about the effectiveness of the program in helping them master the Jubmo ABM platform. Thank you.